MTD CNC, bringing you the latest engineering news, reviews, events and special offers via video media.
Bill, we've got some 0-point clamping here from Roemheld. When you're trying to pitch this to the end users, to engineers, how do you sell it?
Sell it on the basic of being quick change, very accurate, and reducing the downtime for fixture change, chucks, vices.
Okay, and principally, how does that work?
Just works really that you can be able to, by putting two receivers onto like a vice, you can change a vice over in 30 seconds rather than conventionally 20 minutes.
So what is a receiver here with what we're looking at?
Receiver on the system that we've got here is what we call our Speedy 1000 0-point pot.
So that is a receiver?
That's a receiver, and then the locator is put into the component or the work holding product that the end user is looking to quick change.
Okay, so to me it would look like if you've got two receivers here, could you have 4, 6, 8, you could bank it up to a multiple solution?
Yeah, I mean we've got some applications in the UK where they've got 40 of these receivers on one bed of a machine.
You may have answered this question already, but I'm going to challenge you with it. Why is that better than just having a vice?
Because it's a lot more accurate. You can take a fixture off, for example, from a 0-point system, change it for a vice or a chuck, put that fixture back on within 10 microns of where you've taken it away from.
Within that 30-second cycle that you mentioned?
Well, you can take it on and off in 30 seconds, you can replace it next week, but within 10 microns. So the need to probe and things really, to a lot of end users, because the tolerance is so tight, they don't need to probe anymore.
What about the security of the component when it's in a receiver? Is there much of a clamping pull or force?
Our smallest receiver will, on a hydraulic air system, has a 1-ton retention force, and it's default clamping. So if all the power is taken away from the machine for whatever reason, your fixture, vice, chuck is held in position until you intervene to unlock it.
So it gets rid of the risk element. What about then finally here, you've got some kind of pump. What's that doing?
This unit is our brand new one, we call it Easy Click. So it just works on conventional air pressure, 3 or 4 bars, and the end user can very simply click the system into place.
And that's secure now?
That's secure now, held by 1/2 ton retention force, multiplied by up as many as these systems that the end user can get onto a table or a fixture. And very crudely, from our point of view, we just pump that system up and then you've unlocked it very quickly and again accurately to within 10 microns.
So this is new. Prior to this, would you have used an M code on the machine or something to release?
Prior to this we had another air system, but it was different in terms of you had to put the receiver in and then lock it. With this, it's Easy Click, you just push it down and it clicks into position.
Very educational, thanks Bill.
Okay, thank you very much.
For more videos, products and news, go to mtdcnc.com or follow MTD Online on Twitter.